Welcome to the 30th edition of Anish News Capsule. I am Nitin from BBA first year. Here are the headlines. Tesla to roll out improved self-driving technology in 2 to 3 weeks. Joblessness in urban areas surges to 12% according to Center for Monitoring Indian Economy. Sensex dipped 341 points on profit booking, metals and financial hit. Passenger vehicle sales fall 10% in April. Industrial production at 22.4% in March, rises after 2 months. India's retail inflation logged at 4.29% in April 2021. Intense bidding takes place for KG-D6 gas. Reliance Industries Limited bagged in most of the supplies. Tesla to roll out improved self-driving technology in 2 to 3 weeks. Elon Musk. Tesla has released what it described as a beta version of its full of self-driving program to a limited number of employees and customers since October. Musk has touched the capability on Twitter. The Smart Summon features, which is already available in the United States, allows driver to use a phone app to summon their vehicle in a parking lot, provided the car is within 200 feet and in their line of sight. Joblessness in urban areas surges to 12%. Urban unemployment touched 11.72% in the week to May 9 from 9.55% in the week ended April 25. Center for Monitoring Indian Economy CMI data showed. Economists believe continued lockdowns in cities will further put pressure on the job market as they restrict economic activity. They also argue that the increase in unemployment can be attributed not just to lockdowns but needs CMI chief Mahesh Vyas in a post on their official website has said the second wave of COVID-19 has stalled economic recovery. Professional forecasting agencies have been scaling back their projections for the year. New investments that could create jobs in large number are unlikely to be made during the year. Sensex dips 341 points on profit booking, metals and financials hit. At the closing bell, the BSE and S&P Sensex was down by 341 points or 0.69%, lower at 49,162, while the Nifty 50 slipped by 92 points or 0.61% to 14,851. At the closing bell, the BSE S&P Sensex was down by 341 points or 0.69%, lower at 49,162, while the Nifty 50 slipped by 92 points or 0.61% to 14,851. Except for Nifty, Auto and Realty, all sectorial indices at the National Stock Exchange were in the red with Nifty. Financial services cracking by 1.3%, private bank by 0.9%, and metal by 0.8%. Kotak Mahindra Bank lost by 2.9%, HDFC Bank by 1.2%, and Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance by 1.4% each, HDFC by 2.8%, and HDFC Life by 1.3%. Passenger vehicle sales fall 10% in April. Sales of cars, SUVs, and minivans declined 10% sequentially during the month to 261,633 units, showed data released on Wednesday by the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers. Vehicle sales were it initially due to lockdown measures imposed in Maharashtra to contain the spread of COVID-19. Similar steps were implemented in other parts of the country from the second half of April, which further impacted sale. Industrial production at 22.4% in March rises after 2 months. The manufacturing sector, which constitutes 77.63% of the index of industrial production, grew by 25.8% in March 2021, as per the data released by the National Statistical Office. The mining sector output grew 6.1% in March, while power generation increased by 22.5%. Industrial production has plunged 18.7% in March. Last year, following the COVID-19 outbreak, they remained in the negative zone till August 2020. Industrial production growth entered positive territory after a gap of 2 months, with a record 22.4% rise in March. This year mainly due to low base effect and good show by manufacturing, mining and power sectors. India's retail inflation logged at 4.29% in April 2021. India's retail inflation rose 4.29% in April from a year ago. Government data released on Wednesday showed, as per the data released by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, inflation in the food basket was 0.2% in April, down from 4.87% in the preceding month. Retail inflation slowed to 4.29% in April, from 5.52% in March, mainly due to easing of food prices, government data showed on Wednesday. Aditi Nair, chief economist ICRA, said, given the high base related to the supply of disruptions seen during the national-wide lockdown in April 2020, the CPI inflation dipped to a 3-month low in April 2021, while printing somewhat higher than the expectations. Indian smartphone market grew 18% in Q1, revival to take longer. Sales of electronics products such as smartphones and laptops and consumers durables such as air conditioners and coolers will take a hit according to the industry experts. The April-June quarter is expected to face growth challenges under the weight of the second wave. However, the high shipments from the first quarter should be able to suffice for the immediate demand, said Nagendra Singh, Research Director, Client Devices at International Data Corporation. In its quarterly report, IDC noted that the Indian smartphones market grew 18% year-on-year in the first quarter of 2021. However, the 38 million units shipments the country saw in the first quarter were 14% lower than the fourth quarter of 2020. Intense bidding takes place for KG-D6 gas. As many as 14 users across sectors slugged it on third-party electronic platform for 7.5 hours to secure natural gas supplies. From the eastern offshore, KG-D6 block before the oil to chemical unit of Reliance Industries Limited bagged most of the supplies, sources